The weather has officially cooled down, the sun sets right after lunchtime, and that means movie watching season is in full effect. So grab a blanket, some hot tea, and settle in for a night of binge watching, all with your JBL Bar 5.1 surround soundbar. Hi guys, I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you want to catch me on IG, I'm there as @DevinHoward. I know this might seem like a surprise, but I'm actually a major introvert. I need time alone, immersing myself in shows or movies in order to recharge after I've spent a lot of time socializing. So I secretly love it when the weather cools down and my friends are less interested in venturing out for big social activities. I love snuggling up at home with my favorite movie. Bonus points if it stars Leonardo DiCaprio. Woo! Those cozy nights in are made so much better when your home theater is set up to give you super high quality image and audio. Enter the JBL Bar 5.1 surround soundbar, a powerful sound system to make your movie nights complete. So let's get into it, you guys. It's time to unbox this. Okay guys, this is the soundbar. This is so heavy. I wasn't expecting this to be so heavy, but when I'm having to hold it basically above my head, it's kind of tiring. Anyway, here is the soundbar, you guys. Very sleek looking. Okay, here is a little box within that larger box. So let's see what this is all about. Now in here, we have the quick start guide plus 2 batteries for the remote. Here we have the remote, and we have a peel moment. Little, but nice. We also have a bag of screws here. Here we have 2 power cords, 2 brackets, and the HDMI cord. Okay. Now this is the subwoofer. Man, this is big. And then the soundbar is right here. Now together, these two look very sleek. I'm actually really liking the way they look. They kind of have this modern design with these curved edges, and I just think it's pretty interesting and it looks really nice. I'm going to remove this little piece of paper here. This soundbar is great for those of you who are perfectionists when it comes to audio, but you don't have the space for a huge multi-speaker setup. This totally wireless soundbar gives you surround sound without the need for extra speakers. It's simple, minimalistic, and easy to set up. What more could you want? I really do like the modern minimalistic design of this. I feel like it would easily slide onto a media center beneath your TV and you would have that cinematic quality sound right in your living room. Now this soundbar also comes with a subwoofer. This is wired to a power supply, but it connects directly to your soundbar without any wires required. Now the big question, how does this soundbar sound? Well, it's designed to bring out voices, making your movie watching and gameplay especially enjoyable. On top of that, cinematic soundtracks and high-stake moments in your first-person shooters generate room-rattling bass and sparkling trebles. If you want your soundbar to double as a Bluetooth speaker, built-in Wi-Fi and compatibility with Chromecast and AirPlay 2 makes it easy to stream online content. You also get the best 4K video resolution to go with your soundbar. The soundbar has 550 watts of system output power, so you can experience your movies and music and games like never before. This is the kind of soundbar that will let you immerse yourself in whatever you're watching. Even though your sound is coming from a single direction, JBL multi-beam technology makes it feel like you're smack dab in the center of the action. You don't have to have a multi-speaker setup to get the kind of immersive audio you want when you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music. With this surround bar, you're going to get that powerful, rich audio that you would expect from JBL. This is a really simple way to upgrade your home theater setup, even if your home theater is just basically your living room. It's going to be a while before our evenings get warm again, so why not bring the movies home to you? Shop the JBL Surround soundbar in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know in the comments section what movies you'd like to watch with your JBL Surround soundbar. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!